But daddy is gonna come back later, yeah. He's missing lang daw, daddy, mommy.
So tell daddy to wear his ring all the time. Yeah? So tell daddy to behave, okay? O tell daddy then. Behave. Behave, daddy.
Okay.
Daddy will dance with someone? Yeah? Other girl? Daddy will dance with other girl? Not mommy?
Let mommy come and touch you.
Can I come? Oh, daddy, can I come
what
daw?
about you? Patay. Paano makakaalis si daddy sa inyong dalawa? Paano makaka-enjoy si daddy pag ano? You always, because that party, anak, we're not allowed to go because it's a casino, anak. Lots of gamble.